Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the basics that actually affect ESC. With the ignition off, confirm the battery reads at least 12. 4V and the terminals are clean. Weak voltage corrupts modules. Next, plug an OBD2 scanner and record ESC/ABS fault codes. Write down code numbers and freeze frame data. Once done, perform a visual inspection of wheel speed sensors, wiring harnesses, and the brake fluid reservoir. These quick checks point you to sensor or electrical faults before deeper disassembly. Now you move into targeted diagnostics to find the failing component. Start by measuring each wheel speed sensor. Check resistance and spin the wheel to verify AC voltage output. Note any outliers. Then disconnect and inspect sensor connectors and wiring for corrosion, bent pins, or chafing. Wiggle tests often reveal intermittent faults. After that, confirm the ABS/ESC module receives stable 12V power, a solid ground, and proper CAN bus signals. Replace or repair harness faults before replacing expensive modules. To finish, replace or repair the failed part you identified, sensor, wiring, or ABS module, using OEM spec parts and torque specs. Once installed, clear fault codes with the scanner, then perform the manufacturer's ABS/ESC calibration or relearn procedure. Make sure to follow vehicle-specific steps. Perform a controlled road test to verify the ESC light stays off under varied speeds and corners. If the light returns, rescan immediately and check freeze frame and intermittent codes. That data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.